y'all, I'm Alex. Today I'm going to go over 8 different footwork drills that you can add into your training. Now let's get started. All of these footwork drills are really good to add into your training, whether you use it as a warm-up, mix it in with some kicks as some drills, or use it as a cool down after you're done training. Now, if you're interested in doing some more types of drills like this, I do these every single month in my Zoom classes. So if you're interested in that, visit alexwongtkd.com if you want to join my Zoom class, or if you want some one-on-one sessions.
Yeah.
Enjoyed this video. Make sure to let me know what else you want to see in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys later.